In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter corporation tax in Xero. This straightforward process is essential for any business owner managing their own company accounts, and I'm here to guide you smoothly through it. The first step you need to take is ensuring that your corporation tax accounts are properly added to your Xero chart of accounts. This is crucial as it sets the stage for an accurate and seamless recording process. So, if you haven't already done this, I recommend taking a moment to check that these accounts are in place. Now that you have your corporation tax accounts ready to go in Xero, let's move on to the next step. What you want to do here is navigate to the top right corner of your Xero dashboard and locate the plus icon. Give it a click. This is your gateway to creating a variety of financial records. And in this instance, we're selecting the manual journal option. The manual journal is a powerful tool within Xero that allows you to make detailed adjustments to your financial records. It gives you control and accuracy, especially when handling specific entries like corporation tax. Once you've opened the manual journal, it's time to input the journal details. Start by adding a clear and informative narration for your journal. A good example could be something like corporation tax for current year. This helps you, and anyone else reviewing the accounts, understand what the entry is about. Don't forget to also input the relevant date for the tax entry, ensuring it aligns with the financial period you're dealing with. The core of the entry process involves filling out the lines within the manual journal. Carefully select the corporation tax account from the drop-down list. Now, move to the debit column and enter the appropriate amount for your corporation tax. This establishes the initial entry. But remember, in accounting, every debit needs a corresponding credit. So, you'll need to create a new line in the journal to balance things out. On this second line, find the provision for corporation tax account and enter the same amount in the credit column. Ensuring that your debits and credits are balanced is crucial for maintaining accurate and compliant books. With everything in place, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on the Post button. This action finalizes your journal entry, updating your accounts accordingly. And just like that, you've successfully entered corporation tax in Xero. So, that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've got the knowledge to handle corporation tax entries confidently. Remember, accuracy is key in bookkeeping, so take your time with each step. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.